Alright guys, today we're doing a review for Koch Chemie GummiFIX, an interior plastic restorer, a new product for 2023. Is this product worth the price tag? Let's find out. What's up, my name is Frank. I've been detailing cars for over a decade now. This channel is all about real world detailing. Alright guys, so I didn't feel the need to use Koch Chemie GummiFIX, but I've got this from Santa Claus this year, so I figured I should probably make a good video about it. So what we've seen around the detailing world is that the guys are putting this on floor mats, which is a really bad idea. I tried it myself a long time ago. I diluted car propel 20-to-1 and I tried it on my winter floor mat, which was a WeatherTech back in the day. Even at 20-to-1, it was still greasy, slippery for your heel. So very dangerous, right? Really unacceptable. So Koch Chemie came out with a solution. I don't know about Europe, but this year it came out in 2023 by Koch Chemie North America. In this video, we will see what kind of finish we're getting, what kind of restoring effect we're getting. I'm also having two types of floor mats. One is WeatherTech, and the other one is a BMW original mat. I hope you like it. Stick until the end. I will give you my recommendation. Did Koch Chemie fulfill their promise? Is there still some slippery effect with those products? Is it worth the price tag? Do you have to apply this every time you wash your mats? I will try to answer that in the best of my ability. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, before applying our Koch Chemie GummiFIX, let's do a deep clean on our floor mat. I will rinse this with hot water. We're gonna spray an APC. In this instance, I'm using Green Star 10-to-1. Gonna give it a good scrub and rinse it off and towel dry. So I'm gonna be using a microfiber applicator. So the bottle comes with a dropper, which I don't really like. I prefer to switch it up for a sprayer. I will explain later in the video why. I'm just gonna apply it evenly on the tape line and check our result. As you can see, we're getting a good 50-50. I'm not seeing the wear and tear as much on the protected side, but the restoring effect, the black effect, is not as great as a WeatherTech mat, as you're gonna see later on the video. So let's apply Koch Chemie GummiFIX from left to right and pull the tape, see if we can show you a better 50-50 than the previous one. Wow, that's a good 50-50. The wear and tear is pretty much unnoticeable. We've got a nice satin dark look. No glazed donut effect. Let's try it out on the WeatherTech here. Before we reach the end of the video, I need to tell you this product works better on a plastic mat such as WeatherTech and works great too on the rubber, but the darkening effect or the restoring effect is not as great on the rubber type floor mat. Check out the 50/50 here. All the scratches and the dents are pretty much gone on the protected side, right? So here I'm pointing out some leftover dirt or embedded dirt. Those are pretty hard to get perfect, pretty hard to clean. Even though you're using good brushes, good product, you're still gonna get some leftover dirt in the corners. So this is why I will pretty much switch the dropper on the bottle for a sprayer, so I can really control my spray and control where I send the product. As you can see, we're getting a matte satin finish, really nice to look at. Another good point for Koch Chemie GummiFIX, this product is really good at filling your floor mats, at hiding scratches and wear and tear overall. I mean, for a 6 or 7 year old WeatherTech, it looks really good right now. Like I said earlier, the darkening effect is not as great on the OEM rubber mats. It works much better on the plastic WeatherTech. All right, guys, my final thoughts. Koch Chemie GummiFIX. The smell, all right, so I know you heard about the smell if you've checked out other people's videos. The smell is really strong, but it's an alcohol smell. It's not too offensive, all right? It's not a toxic smell, it's just a little bit strong, but it will not prevent me from using this kind of product. It's not that bad, all right? Second thing, the finish on this is crazy nice for my taste. It's perfect, not glossy, not dry, just satin, right? About the finish, if you've got more of a plastic mat like a WeatherTech, the restoring effect will be more noticeable. Next, are we gonna have to apply this on every wash? I don't think so. All right, so I have not been using this long enough to make a conclusion about reapplying, but I'm pretty sure after maybe 2 or 3 wash, you're gonna have to reapply this. So it's not that bad. So just reapply as needed, all right? So did I felt any slippery? Yes, I felt slippery with this, but 90% less than a silicone or water-based tire dressing type of product. But 90% less means my heel was not moving around. I just felt there was a product on the floor mat, like it was not as dry as if there was nothing there. But I have to be honest and tell you there's still a small percentage of slippery, but nothing to be dangerous. This is not something, again, that will prevent me from applying this to my own floor mats or anybody's floor mats. I will not be concerned with safety. All right, guys, so if you're interested by Koch Chemie GummiFIX, check out the link in the description. You can use my code, save yourself some money. On carzilla.ca right now, it's about 40 bucks Canadian dollar. But if you're from the States, you can still buy these products on Carzilla. They ship for free in the US. They have really good prices as well. All right, guys, so with that being said, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.